last class we have discussed about the reforms made by the Britishers and how it was felt by the Indians. Okay, so many of the reforms initiated by the Britishers were not taken in a good sense by the Indians. And which all reforms were made by the Britishers? Do you remember, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am, laws
The law
passed
was
The laws
to
were
raised
stop the
against the
practice of
practice of
sati,
sati,
Ah,
encouraged
encourage
widow
widow
remarriage.
encouraged widows
remarriage.
to
Britishers
remarry.
removed Arabic and
British
Sanskrit
removed
languages from
Arabic
school
and
and promoted
Sanskrit from
English
school and
language.
they promoted English
Encouraged
languages.
Christianity, then Christian
Encourage
missionaries were allowed to
yeah.
function
The
freely.
first point, they banned sati. Okay,
sati,
sati was
practice
the
of
evil
sati.
practice among the Hindu religious people. So when they banned sati, it was hurt the religious sentiments of the Indians. Okay, mainly the Hindu people. Then they encouraged widow remarriage.
Remarriage.
Remarry.
Okay, till that widows they needed to commit suicide, means if a husband died, she also needed to die along with him. Okay, but after sati was banned, the life of widows was very hard and miserable. So the Britishers encouraged widow remarriages. Okay, they can marry. So that also hurt the religious feeling of the Indian people. Then they
Ma'am,
removed.
British encouraged
Ah,
Arabic and Sanskrit
yes,
language and encouraged English
yes.
English
language.
language.
Traditional language, Arabic and Sanskrit. That means they removed Arabic and Sanskrit from the schools and colleges, and they promoted
English.
English
English
English.
language.
education. Okay, so that that also hurt the people, because that time the feelings among the minds of the people that if anyone, if they study or if they learn English, it would destroy their culture or it would destroy their tradition. Okay, that was the attitude of the people during that time. Okay, then the other one was the Christianity. Okay, they
Encourage
promoted.
Christianity.
Yes. Okay. Christian missionaries can stay over here in our country. They can preach the religion and they can promote or they can convert people into Christianity. And also a law was made. What was the law? If
Christian
anyone,
missionaries were
if
allowed.
anyone converted to Christianity, they can inherit
Their property, ancestral
father's
property.
property. Okay, their ancestral property can be inherit. Okay, so these all things are made by the Britishers that hurt the religious feeling of the people. So
Ma'am, last point can you say again?
last point, which
Yes,
one?
ma'am.
Inherit
Yes,
property.
ma'am.
Okay, that means, children, after when our father, okay, if he did, naturally, if he have four sons, the
Eldest
property,
son.
he can access to his father's property. Okay, so if anyone is converted to Christianity, means if someone, if any son, if he is converted to any other religion, that time he won't get the ancestral property of his father. Okay, till that time that was the rule. But it made a law, the Britishers, they made it as a law that if anyone converted to Christianity, they will get or they will have the means they will have the capacity or they are eligible for their ancestral property. Okay, they will get a share of his father's property. Understand?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, okay. So that was the thing. So children, these all reforms made by the Britishers. Okay, that was not taken a good spirit by the Britishers. So most of them, most of the people, they were in a means mood to react against to the Britishers. Okay. Now we will discuss the immediate cause for the outbreak of the revolt. Okay, so we have seen that a large section of Indians, okay, people were not satisfied with the Britishers. Actually, they were in a mood to react. They all wanted to react against the Britishers, but they were helpless because Britishers were very powerful. They are very strong. So the Indians, they do not have a chance to react against the Britishers. But during this time, a young soldier, his name is Mangal Pandey. Okay, Mangal Pandey, he was arrested by the British. He was a soldier. Okay, he was a soldier in Barakpur in West Bengal. Okay, West Bengal. So he was a young soldier. Mangal Pandey, he was a young soldier of Barakpur. He was arrested by the Britishers. Okay, at his 18th age, when he was only 18, he joined in British Army. Okay, then, but he was not ready to tolerate all these things or all the reforms made by the Britishers. That means a law was made, it was compulsory for the soldiers to cross the sea. Okay, so all these laws and also their salary, their working condition, everything was not good or not satisfactory. So Mangal Pandey, he just he attacked some British officers and he was arrested by the Britishers. Okay, he was arrested by the Britishers and he was hanged to death for his crime. Okay, so Mangal Pandey, 29th March 1857, Mangal Pandey was hanged to death by the Britishers. He was arrested by the Britishers. He was a soldier. Okay, he was a soldier of Barakpur, West Bengal, and he just attacked his British officials. Okay, he attacked British officials and he was arrested and he was hanged to death by the Britishers. Okay, he was executed. So this incident, okay, this incident made the soldiers, they were very worried, or they were worried and tensed about this incident. And within a few days, within a few days, some sepoys, I have told you during that time. Nowadays, see children, nowadays in movies and all, we can see one type of guns and rifles we can see in the movies, right? It is very
Yes,
small
ma'am.
one, right? It is very small guns we can see. Okay, but during this time, that means in 1857, a new type of rifle was introduced by the British. It is a very long one. Okay, we can see in old movies and all, the police and all carrying this long,
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
yes, long rifle. So in that rifle, during that time, a new type of rifle was introduced by the Britishers. The cartridges to be loaded, the bullets to be loaded in the cartridges. Bullets, you know, children, bullets.
Yes, yes.
Ah, yes, the bullets to be loaded into this newly produced rifle. Children, someone's audio
Ma'am,
in the room.
Michelle.
Michelle.
Okay. So the new cartridges, okay, the bullets to be loaded in this cartridges. Okay. So listen to me, children. Who is Mangal Pandey? He was a young soldier. Okay, he was a young soldier
Soldier.
of Barakpur.
In
Barakpur
Barakpur.
in West Bengal. Okay, Barakpur in West Bengal. And he attacked British officers and he was arrested by the Britishers. Okay, and he was hanged to death. He was executed by the Britishers. So that was a spark among the minds of the soldiers. Soldiers, they were not satisfied or they were not happy with the Britishers. Okay, they were not happy with the Britishers. And after some time, okay, after some time, the Britishers, they introduced a new type of rifle. The cartridges were coated with the fat of cow and a pig. Okay, and for both the Hindus and the Muslims, the cow is holy for the Hindus, and for the Muslims, pig is unholy. Okay,
Unholy.
yes, unholy. So both these section, okay, both Hindus and the Muslims, they were not ready to use this uh, rifle. Okay, because before loading these bullets into these cartridges, they needed to bite it open. Okay, they needed to bite it open with their teeth or mouth. Okay, so these both the Hindus and the Muslims, they were not ready to use this rifle. Okay, so the Britishers, they were very angry, and many of the sepoys, okay, many of the soldiers were punished severely. Okay, they punished many of the soldiers, and also they dismissed, okay, they dismissed many of the soldiers from services, and many of the soldiers were arrested and imprisoned. Okay, so this is the immediate cause or the main cause for the outbreak of the revolt. We have discussed many of the causes for the revolt. Okay, but this all just made the people infuriated, or they were not, the Indians were not happy. There were many reasons, but this reason, okay, this reason, that means the execution of Mangal Pandey and the compulsion, or the compulsion to use the newly introduced rifle. These two are the immediate cause for the outbreak of the revolt of 1857. I have told you, children, this this is also, okay, this revolt of 1857, it is also known as First War of
Independence.
Independence, and also Sepoy
Or
Mutiny.
mutiny.
Okay, Sepoy Mutiny, because the Sepoys or the soldiers have started this revolt, and soon it spread into a popular rebellion. Okay, a mutiny, it spread into a popular rebellion, means so that many of the defeated rulers, Nawabs, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Nana Sahib, all those who were not satisfied with the Britishers, they all joined with the revolt, and it spread into a popular rebellion. Okay, so just see this, children. Mangal Pandey, he was a young soldier. He was only 28 years old when he hanged to death. Okay. Then he was a young soldier at the cantonment in Barakpur, okay, West Bengal, and he was the culprit of attacking his officers. He attacked the British officers, and he was arrested by the Britishers, and he was imprisoned, and he was executed 29th March 1857. Mangal Pandey was hanged to death for his crime. What was his crime? He just attacked his British officers. Okay, he just attacked the British officers. So he was executed by the Britishers. Then, within a few days, some sepoys of the regiment at Meerut, regiments means military point, okay, military station at Meerut, refused to use the new cartridges using an army drill. It was rumored that, okay, the new cartridges were coated with the fat of cow and a pig. Okay, so for both the Hindus and the
Ma'am,
Muslims, yeah,
ma'am, cartridges mean.
cartridges means, these bullets.
Ma'am, like present day bullets, that old time, that thing.
Ah, yes, the old type of rifle, the bullets, we will load the bullets, right?
Yes,
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 ma'am.
Okay, that case, okay, that is known as cartridges. We are loading the bullets into one case, right?
Yes,
yes.
ma'am.
That is cartridges. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
okay, so the new cartridges, it was rumored that the new cartridges were coated with the fat of cow and maybe for friction, for using this friction, they are using that fat. Okay, so for the refusal to obey the orders, 85 soldiers were dismissed from service. Okay, so many of the soldiers lost their jobs. They were sentenced to 10 years in jail. They were imprisoned for 10 years. Okay, so this was happened 9th May 1857. Okay, so children, listen to me. This is the means immediate cause for the outbreak of the revolt of 1857. So that Sepoy started this mutiny, so that it is known as Sepoy Mutiny. Okay, it is also known as Sepoy Mutiny. These 2 points are clear to you, children. The execution of Mangal Pandey and the newly introduced rifle. Okay. Then mutiny. Okay, we'll now discuss about it. The rebellion of May 1857 threatened the company's very presence in India. I have told you the first time, okay, very first time the Indians reacted against the Britishers, and definitely Indians failed in this revolt. Okay, the Britishers, they can easily suppress the revolt. Even many of the leaders supported this rebellion. Many of the leaders joined with this rebellion, but still we are very weak. The mutiny which started from the containment also means a military unit in Meerut, it inculcate a large part of northern and central India. Okay, so many of the northern and central parts of India was affected by this revolt, and people from different section of the society, that means we have read or we have discussed about a large number of people, those who were affected by the policies of the Britishers, that means peasants, nawabs, okay, then ruling families, many of the ruling families, all sepoys, all were affected because of the Britishers cruel or injustice rule. They all rose up to the rebellion, and it was the biggest armed resistance to colonialism in the 19th century anywhere in the world. So this has a special significant point or significant mark in the history. Okay, here nothing, just it started. Okay, from mutiny means simple as sepoys were revolted. Okay, from that it grows to be a rebellion. Okay, so children, now we will discuss how.
Ma'am, can you show that last slide?
Okay, this one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is only about what, how the mutiny grows to be a popular rebellion, because you know, children, after when the Britishers, when they established their trading concern and all, after 100 years, okay, after 100 years of their long rule in India, the company faced such an attack from the Indian people. Okay, first time they faced an attack from the Indian people. Here, no, nothing to be noted down.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Ah,
what is this mutiny?
mutiny.
Yes, ma'am.
Mutiny means a revolt led by the soldiers. Okay, if the sepoys, if they were revolting against their officers, army officers, that is known as mutiny. Okay.
Mhm.
Then from a simple mutiny, that means the sepoys have started this mutiny, but soon it spread into a rebellion. What do you mean by rebellion? A struggle by,
War,
a
war,
struggle that
war.
was that was organized by many section of the people. Okay, when a large number of people or a section of people, when they were taken part, or when they were struggling to change the existing political system, that is known as rebellion. Okay, so from a simple mutiny it grows to a popular rebellion. Then, so here we have seen that, children, many of the sepoys were arrested. They were imprisoned for 10 years. Okay. And also they punished many of the soldiers for not using this newly introduced rifle. Okay. So the soldiers, they were very angry about this. Okay, so the soldiers in Meerut responded in an extraordinary way. Till that time, they were suppressed by the Britishers, but this time, the execution when they have seen that Mangal Pandey was executed, and they made many laws for means about their crossing the seas and all. Then this also means their soldiers, they were arrested and they were imprisoned. All this angered the soldiers, and on 10th May, please note it down children, it is very important. On 10th May, the soldiers marched to jail and released the imprisoned sepoys. Okay, the sepoys, those who were refused to use the new type of rifle. Okay, new type of rifle, they were arrested. Okay, they were arrested and imprisoned. Okay, so the soldiers, 10th May 1857, they all marched to, okay, marched to jail and released the imprisoned sepoy. What do you mean by release the imprisoned sepoys?
Release
Mother
them from the
released
jail.
the jail.
Arrested.
Ah, yes, they let them free and they attacked and killed the British officers. So the sepoys, they moved to the jail. Okay, they marched to the jail and they released the imprisoned sepoys. That marked the beginning of the revolution. Okay, then also they captured guns and ammunition, the armed weapons. Okay, the armed weapons, guns, everything they captured from the British officers. They attacked and killed British officers. They set fire to the building. Okay, they fired the building and they burned the properties of the Britishers, and they declared a war on the Firankis. Firankis means, you know children, foreigners. Okay, so children, 10th May 1857, that was the day when the soldiers revolted against the Britishers. That marked the beginning of the revolt of 1857. So what was the incident leading to this situation?
And the execution of Mangal Pandey.
Execution of Mangal Pandey, then
And then the arrest of the sepoys for not using the cartridges.
yes, the soldiers, those who refused to use the newly type of cartridges, they were arrested and imprisoned for 10 years. Okay, so this so this made the soldiers angry towards the Britishers. They marched 10th May. They marched to this jail, okay, the jail, and released the imprisoned sepoys. They attacked and killed the British officers of that jail, and they captured guns and armed weapons from the Britishers. They set fire to the building. They fired the building and they burned the properties of the Britishers, and they declared a war against the foreigners. That means against the Britishers. This marked the beginning of the revolt of 1857. So this date you needed to note it down particularly, that is 10th May 1857. Okay. Then, see children, so we have seen that the soldiers, they just declared war against the Britishers. They attacked the police officers. They burned police stations. Okay, British stations, and they declared war against the foreigners. So they need a leader to guide them. Okay, there was nobody to lead them or to guide them. So after creating all this incident, it all happened in Meerut. Okay, Meerut, you know, it is in Uttar Pradesh, UP. So the soldiers, they started, okay, on the night of 10th May, they reached Delhi. From Meerut, they traveled to Delhi, and 10th May, they reached to Delhi, okay, in the next morning. So when these incidents, okay, when these regiments also, it means the military point. So the regiments in Delhi, when they heard this news, they also, okay, the soldiers in Delhi also, they were also ready to revolt against the Britishers. The soldiers, gathered around the Red Fort. Red Fort, I have told you, it was the residence of the Mughal.
Emperor.
Yes, Mughal emperor. Okay, so they all wanted to meet Bahadur Shah Zafar. I have told you who was the last Mughal emperor. So at first, the Bahadur Shah Zafar, he was not ready to challenge the Britishers. Okay, because they know that they are very strong, they are very capable, they have modern weapons with them. So at first, Bahadur Shah Zafar, he was not ready to accept or ready to challenge the Britishers, but the soldiers, they persisted, or they forced Bahadur Shah Zafar, and they proclaimed Bahadur Shah Zafar as their leader. So children, the soldiers, they were in a, means they revolted, or they declared war against the Britishers, but there was no able leader to guide them. Okay, so from Meerut they reached to Delhi, and they stationed near to Red Fort, where Bahadur Shah Zafar, the Mughal emperor, lived, residence of the Mughal emperor, and they forced, or they compelled Bahadur Shah Zafar to to lead them. But at first, Bahadur Shah Zafar, he was not ready to accept this challenge, but later he agreed to this demand, and he wrote letters to all the chiefs and rulers of the country to come forward. Okay, so there were many provinces were under the control of the Mughal rulers. We know that they were Mughal emperors. Okay, we have studied about the great Mughal emperors, Akbar, Shah Jahan, Jahangir. Okay, so but after when Aurangzeb, they become, or they began to, Mughal dynasty, it become declined. Okay, it began to be declined. So during that time, the Mughal rulers, okay, this Bahadur Shah Zafar, only some provinces were under his control, but he asked them to join. He wrote letter to all the chiefs and rulers of the country to come forward, and he asked them to form a confederacy, means to an organization or to a group of Indian states to fight the Britishers. So this encouraged, okay, this step of the emperor had great implication. That means this encouraged the people of India, means Indian people, because many of the states, okay, many of the rulers, they were not happy with the Britishers. They thought that if they reacted against the Britishers, if they can defeat the Britishers, the Mughal rulers again, okay, again the Mughal rulers can resume their power. So they will be united under the Mughal ruler or Mughal emperor. So that was the thought among the minds of the rulers. So here in this one, you needed to note it down only this point, children. From Meerut, the soldiers traveled to Delhi, and they met Bahadur Shah Zafar, who was the last Mughal emperor, and they demanded him to be, or they proclaimed him as the leader. Okay, at first Bahadur Shah Zafar, he was not ready to accept this challenge, but the soldiers persisted him to be in power, and at last he agreed to their demand, and he wrote letter to all the chiefs and rulers of the country to be united against the Britishers. Okay. Then we know that Bahadur Shah Zafar, Mughal dynasty, we know.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, that new leader can show from new travel to Delhi, that can explain.
Midun, can you say, it's not clear.
Ma'am, he asked to explain that portion once more.
This portion I needed to explain once more.
Ma'am, that portion right after they reached Delhi, that
Yes, ma'am,
he
that one.
want to.
After when they reached to Delhi.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. See, this incident it was happened in Meerut. Okay, then that means the soldiers were arrested. Okay, that was happened in Meerut. So from there, okay, there the soldiers started this revolt. They attacked the British officers and released the imprisoned soldiers. Is it clear?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then from Meerut, they have started, these all soldiers, they were marched to Delhi. Okay. Delhi were the place where the emperor or the Mughal emperors were lived. Right. Delhi was under the control of the Mughal ruler. Clear?
Ma'am.
Okay. Then these all need a leader, right? There was nobody to guide them. The soldiers, they declared a war against the Britishers, but there was no leader to guide them. Okay, so they demanded Bahadur Shah Zafar to lead the revolt. Okay, clear? Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but Bahadur Shah Zafar, he was not ready. Okay, in the beginning, he was not ready to accept this challenge because the Britishers were very strong, they were very powerful. So he was not ready for this, but the soldiers persisted him to do this. Okay, they proclaimed him as their leader, and at last he had no other choice. He agreed to their demand. Okay, so at first he was not ready, but later, when the soldiers persisted him, he was ready to accept this challenge. And he wrote the support. Okay, he wanted the support from all other chiefs and rulers. Okay, so he wrote letters to all the chief and rulers to the country to join or to support the revolt. Okay, okay, children,
Okay, ma'am.
clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then he asked them to form a confederacy, means a league, okay, or a group of Indian state to fight against the Britishers. Means he asked the rulers to join or to form a group to fight against the Britishers. Okay. Okay, so next class we will discuss about the spread of rebellion. Okay, who are the leaders, those who joined in this rebellion, and what did happen? Okay, what was the means many of the rulers like Nana Sahib, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Tandia Top, many of the rulers were there to revolt against the Britishers, and what it happened after the revolt. Okay, so all this we will discuss on the next class. Okay, so I have updated some notes. Okay, today I'll add 2 or more questions and I will send you. Please go through that and also read the textbook. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
See you on the next.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.